Welcome to our tech review where today we're diving into the OPPO Find X7 Ultra. Display, the Find X7 Ultra boasts a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It's a visual powerhouse with 1 billion colors, Dolby Vision, HDR10+. Performance. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring lightning-fast performance. With up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, it's a beast in multitasking and storage. Camera. This phone featuring a 50MP main sensor and two 50MP periscope telephoto lenses. The 50MP ultra-wide lens adds versatility to your shots. Selfie camera. The 32MP front camera ensures your selfies are sharp and detailed. Comes with 4K video recording. Sound, the Find X7 Ultra comes with stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, focusing on delivering high-quality audio over wireless connections. Battery. A 5000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging, full charge in just 26 minutes. Design. Engineering with a glass or eco leather back and an aluminum frame. Software. Running on Android 14 with ColorOS 14. So, if you're buying a smartphone, the Find X7 Ultra might for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.